So as we wrap up the day, though, on the first half of the trading session, we have been holding comfortably above that 22,600 mark. But well, of course, we are off the day's highest point. So let's go across to Ashesha, who is joining us for the market closing. Take it away, Ashesha.
Well, yes, Shrishti, we started off the day with nominal gains, built onto gains only to lose them in the second half of trade. Nifty now down nearly 100 odd points near that 22,450 odd mark. Nifty Bank also off from the highest point of the day. In fact, it is ending the day down nearly 310 odd points near that 48,185 odd mark. All sectoral indices except Nifty FMCG index are ending the day with cuts. Nifty FMCG index, Nifty small cap index in fact down over 2%, Nifty mid cap index down 1.7%. So across the broader markets were also under pressure today. Nifty Realty FMCG index was the only sectoral gainer in today's trading session, up 0.2% as we speak. HUL, for instance, was up 2%. Nestle and ITC were also holding on to some nominal gains in today's trade. Nifty Realty Index was the most impacted sector. In fact, the index is ending with cuts of nearly 2%. We had the likes of Mahindra Lifespaces, which is down to 6.5%. Raymond and Lodha are also ending the day with cuts anywhere between 3 to 4% in trade today. PSU banking stocks were also under pressure today. Indian Bank was down 4.5%. Central Bank and Punjab and Sindh Bank also ending the day with cuts of nearly 3 to 4%. So a whole host of PSU banking stocks were also under pressure today. On the flip side, let's also talk about IndusInd Bank from the private sector banking space, where Reserve Bank of India approved extension of MD and CEO Sumant Katpalia by only 1 year as opposed to expectations or application for 3 years. This stock was reeling under pressure, ending the day with cuts of over 4%. 900 is where IndusInd Bank is ending the day. Jefferies, of course, retained its buy but lowered its target price on IndusInd Bank to 1,080. The stock was under pressure today. IDFC First Bank, we saw that sharp uptick come in on the back of its news with respect to stake sale, which is likely to be done by the end of this month. Some reports coming in over here. IndusInd Bank, IDFC Bank was in focus today. A whole host of power stocks were also buzzing in trade today. There are expectations that power demand is expected to pick up in summer season this year. So we had Power Grid, which was up 3%. In fact, not just Power Grid, several other power stocks were also gaining in trade today. But all in all, Nifty gave up all of those morning gains, ending the day 100 points lower near that 22,440 odd mark. And broader markets were also under pressure today. That's all the time we have on this edition of the show. Thanks so much for tuning in.